Welcome back, guys. Today's video is going to be a tutorial. I'm going to show you how to play Xbox games on your Chromebook. This also works for MacBook, your phone, and your computer. And obviously, if you don't even need a console, you don't have to own a console to even play. You just need Game Pass for the Xbox, like the Xbox website, whatever else, and you'll be able to play. So what you do is, once you have the Game Pass, you look up this on your web browser, the cloud gaming, and it should be the first one, cloud gaming beta with Xbox Game Pass. So you press it, and it will bring this up, and you tap ways to play. And as you can see, they have these options. I do play now because we're on a Chromebook. So as you hit play now on your Chromebook, it will load up everything right here. So you literally don't even have to install these. These games are literally able to play. So as you can see, I have some games I have been playing. But just to prove you can actually play the real games, so I'll go to Forza Horizon 5. And you can plug in your controller and work. It works with PlayStation controller and everything. See, as you can see, it only works when you plug it in. So let me grab the controller. Alright, so I have the controller, and I will plug it in. Alrighty. It is now plugged in. Give it a moment. Disconnected or idle. Well, there it is, connected. Oh, I did not mean to press that. Browser unsupported, even though there's another browser you can use for it, but it works with Chrome. I mean, it might crash a few times, maybe, not always, but you can play on your Chromebook, as you can see. You have the sound and the controller works. I'm using the PlayStation controller for it right now, but just trying to prove a point. It loads up, and there's like almost no lag. It's really based on your internet connection. You can get rid of all this by doing full screen, etc. But I'm not worried about it at the moment. As you can see, I pressed it and it works. I'll be able to drive with it and everything. Alright, it's obviously gotta do this. Just trying to prove you can play any Game Pass game. That is what I like.
Loading.
Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum. I hate that it does that voiceover at the beginning. I'm not sure how to turn that off. If you guys know how, please tell me. It's been there for a bit, but I do not know why. Yeah, and you can have the volume all the way up, just to prove. And look, so if I press it on the controller, it works. See? It's fully functional. You can even drive with it, so I'll back out.
Welcome back, Josh.
Alright, boop, boop. I have a bunch of cars. Not that many, but enough. And I'm not that great with this vehicle, but you press on the gas and go. It works, as you can see. You can drive like however you want, etc. But yeah, it works with all the Game Pass games that they have. That is one thing I do like. It works better on a phone or a different, browser. But the point is, you can do it on a Chromebook and a MacBook and your phone. And it runs pretty smoothly. On camera, it does not look smooth, but it's running pretty great. As I hate, camera kind of makes it look weird, but it runs smooth. There's like almost no lag. Well, there is your tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe for more, and I will see you later.